Hi friends, welcome to my channel Aroma at Usha.
For more delicious healthy recipes from the channel Aroma at Usha, click the subscribe button and click the below bell icon.
Today I am going to show egg recipe, whole egg stuffed with masala. If you prepare the masala and store it in the refrigerator, you can prepare this recipe within few minutes. Only you need time to boil the eggs. The masalas are also easy to prepare. For this I have taken 2 numbers of boiled egg, 5 numbers of Kashmiri red chilli, half portion of onion thinly sliced, 7 or 8 garlic chopped, rock salt powder, you can also use the ordinary salt powder, 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. For this we are going to prepare the masala. First we are going to roast the red chilies now. For this pour little amount of coconut oil in a kadai. Pour 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Let it get heated. Add 4 to 5 red chilies. I have used Kashmiri chilies because I want the masala to be less spicy. You can use the normal variety also. And roast it until you get nice aroma from the red chili. Now I can sense the nice aroma. Take out the red chilies and grind it into coarse powder. Next I am going to prepare the fried onions. Pour 2 tablespoons of oil. I have used coconut oil. When the oil gets heated up, add thinly sliced onion. And fry it until it becomes nice golden brown. Now the onion has changed into golden brown color. Take it out from the oil. Strain the oil. Next we are going to prepare the garlic oil. For this chop 7 to 8 cloves of garlic and add it in the remaining oil in which we fried the onions. And fry it until the onion becomes golden brown color. We are not going to use the garlic pieces, only we are going to use the oil. Now it has become golden brown. Switch off the flame. Now we are going to grind the red chilies which we roasted earlier. Remove the stalk and grind. Next step is to stuff the egg with the masala. I have boiled 2 eggs. I have boiled the eggs and removed the shells. Now I am making slit in the egg. I am making the cut until 3/4 portion is done. I have dissolved some rock salt powder in water. pour this salt water inside the slit. This is the red chili which I have coarsely powdered. Now I am taking little of it and placing it inside the egg. Now I am going to stuff the fried onions. Take little fried onions and stuff the egg with the fried onions. Now I am going to stuff it with a little more chili powder. Next step is to pour the garlic oil. I am going to take a little amount of oil which we prepared earlier. Now this is the garlic oil. Pour it into the stuffed masala. Now it's done. Place it in a plate. Now repeat the same procedure for the other egg also. Whole egg stuffed with masala is ready.